So first thing I did was remove the player from the pocket to try and find out which way the cable is coming in from. And these players have tabs on the sides of the frame. If you just push those in with something very thin, it comes right out. And then I just remove the dash cover. Found the cable there and followed it over to this corner here. And it goes up to the roof through there. So I'm going to feed it through the ceiling down. You'll want to put some vice grips on your cable to hold it in if you're going to tie something on it to pull it through. And there's the copper wire. I had to make the hole a little bigger. So I just taped that copper ground wire to the cable and fed it down through that corner. That's the old cable there. Just left it. And I'll take that tape off and pull that copper out and feed that cable down through here under the dash over to the radio and plug it in. Reinstall. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice.
The BBC's Andrew Harding. This is NPR.
Sure couldn't get that before.
Police in Houston have opened a criminal investigation into
All I could get was the
Wind off the Florida coast.
farm report. There's nothing wrong with the farm report, but I'm not a farmer.
But wind gusts exceeding safety limits forced SpaceX to bump that departure.
Now I'm ready to secure this to the roof. You got your rubber piece, and then your metal piece, and then the plastic piece that's secured to the antenna. So I'm going to take some tape and put on here, and that way whenever I drill in, it kind of keeps that fiberglass from splitting, cracking. Made sure I centered that. Use some RV rooftop screws. And there it is, nice and secure. All we need to do now is put some lap sealant on it. And that screw that's on there, you can loosen that and move it around if you want it to go down further. And that's that.